Welcome to the June 2024 Vault Drop video where I am unveiling what is coming to the Vault this month. Now, if you are already a member of the Vault, congratulations. I'm so excited to show you what's inside. And if you are not a member of the Vault, I don't know what you're waiting for because this place is jam-packed with so much. So let's dive in. When you first enter the Vault, this is going to be the page you're on. And you're going to want to go to the new drop area. So you're not going to see it right now because it's not live, right? I'm recording this on May 24th of 2024. But you would click on the June drop. And so it'll take you here. So we are excited to unveil that we have a limited edition drop for June. So in the previous video, we talked about how we wanted to reward members for being with us and, add things inside of the Vault drops that are really going to just be like limited. Like you only get it for that month and then it's gone. So if someone comes in the following month, they don't have access to that. So for May, we did a Mother's Day limited edition drop where we had a bunch of Mother's Day content. So for the month of June, we are doing a FSBO follow-up framework, which I'm super excited about because FSBOs are one of the most powerful lead sources that you could ever go after in your business. But it does require skill. And so we wanted to break everything down, including a full training by Alex, who breaks down the actual follow-up framework. And you don't see the video here because it's processing, but there's a full training there. We also have the follow-up framework and then a full actual script that you'll be able to go through and follow that breaks down exactly, when to call, what to say, what type of voicemail to leave, what SMS to send, right? How you're texting the FSBOs, what type of mailer to send, when to send it, and this goes on for several weeks, and it's all broken down in there. So that is included with the June Vault drop, but it is limited edition. So that means after June 30th, it is gone. So if you're not a member in the month of June, you won't have access to this. Now, climbing on down to the training, lead generation, and marketing area. So for June's drop, we have a training on the power of email marketing. Now, this training, I had so much fun with this training. I really got down into the nitty gritty, gave examples, explained things, shared best practices, and just really broke it down for someone who is just getting started with email marketing, or maybe you're already doing email marketing but you want to get into the coolness of automations and sequences and flows and things like that. The second section is our buyer automation email and SMS sequence. So we have a fully broken down script for how to interact with new buyer leads that you can copy and put that into your CRM or whatever you're using to get your email marketing and SMS marketing done. We have also, for the first time, an email newsletter template that I'm super excited about. This is a just listed template, and we'll be adding more as the months go by. But this is going to be the perfect size for your email. To get that in there, you can fully customize it in Canva. Then scrolling down, we wanted to make sure that everything matched and was very cohesive and branded together, in case you wanted to move forward with this brand style. And also if it's just easier to edit something when they all sort of look the same, right? So we have the email newsletter, we have the postcard, we have a brochure for the first time, which was very, very much requested, especially for the luxury agents within the Vault. We also have a just listed flyer. And one thing that I'm super excited about is our lead magnet that we added this month, right? We have several lead magnets inside of the real estate marketing Vault, but this month we added how to increase your home's value. And so, this lead magnet it came out beautiful. There's a call to action at the end of it. You can use this to generate seller leads, to get people's emails. You can offer this up when you're making geo calls and say, hey, can I email you, this, ebook that I have that breaks down how different ways that you can increase your home's value. just so much. I'm also excited to share that we are unveiling the new carousel section. So, as you've probably seen in other videos, we have all of our marketing templates in one section. But as the vault has grown, it's time to start dividing things up into proper sections. So you can go through here and access all of these done for you carousel posts. And one thing I love about the carousel posts is we did not use artificial intelligence AI to create them. We actually wrote them from the top of the dome, fully creative, and based on experience. So two of my favorite carousel posts that are added for this month, scrolling down to here, we have 12 new ones, are the 3 things I wish I knew before I got my real estate license. And this is centric to agent attraction. We've been getting requests from our vault members to create more content around agent attraction and getting other agents interested in collaborating with you. So, we're adding things around that realm. And then this is my second favorite carousel post out of the 12, which is the reason properties expire off the real estate market. And what's cool about this is I would actually love to see if one of our vault members would take this carousel post and turn it into a Facebook ad where you are specifically targeting for sale by owners and expired listing homeowners. And we have a training on how to do that, which is super cool. So you could do that exact strategy with the training. Use this as your actual ad. Just change your photo and put your business information on the top, and I would love to see how that turns out. We also have over here, scrolling down, new done for you evergreen stories and editable evergreen reels, right? So every month we've been adding more and more social content. This is our first time incorporating stories into the mix. So we have these really cool good morning stories, and the idea behind this is that these are done for you, right? You just download these, keep these in your phone in a folder, and every day of the week you can actually just upload the same one. You don't even have to go through the work of changing the photos, right? They're real estate centric, they're work centric, and you go through and you post one on the appropriate days. So like Sunday, you post this on Instagram, and then you can put your little to-do list or a quote or something, and it's just a way for you to show up on social without having to get on camera or think too hard about it or go and design something crazy or go out and take photos, right? You just download all of this, keep it in your phone, and then post every day. We also have an Ask Me About Real Estate Q&A story that you can share. And then we have these, what I like to call CTA, call to action Instagram stories pack. So there's 5 of these here, and what you can do is share these as well, and they work the same way that the good morning ones do, in that you're basically having something to post, but it's more call to action centric to get the conversation started, to have people ask you about something specific. Then the editable evergreen reels are just that. They're fully customizable inside of Canva, and we have 3 different ones, one for just listed, just sold, and then also open houses, and they have different call to actions at the end of each video, so those are all done for you. So that is, in a nutshell, and very, very fast talking, what is inside of the June 2024 Real Estate Marketing Vault drop. I am so excited to drop this on June 1st. If you're not a member of the Vault, I don't know what you're waiting for, because the price that it is at right now is just, it's wild. Like, as the person who's sitting here designing these things, I'm starting to feel a little underpaid. I don't know. Well, I'm talking about it with Alex. We'll see. But if you want to, get access to this right away and lock that price in, definitely go sign up now, get inside the Vault, start using everything. We literally have an entire course for you to take around launching or relaunching your business, including talking about systems in your real estate business, prospecting and marketing, branding, right? We have an entire skills-based video training area for you to just unwrap everything. Lots of different productivity tools for you to explore. My personal favorite is the new listing checklist, right? That's the only thing I'm going to highlight here. The new listing checklist is amazing, especially if you are a brand new agent or a team leader who wants to help your agents really like stay on their P's and Q's. But I will leave you on that note. Yeah, as always, I'm wishing you many happy new clients, accepted offers, and a whole lot of closings. And go run, join the vault, hit that button, sign up now.